Welcome to Agentic Engineering Masterclass, episode 5. So in this episode, we're going to start a new project. We're going to go to, call it class 5. Now we're here in our working directory as usual. We have our memory file instantiated as usual. We're going to start with Claude Code. And you can see here that as soon as it loads, we're going to install project memory as we do, which is best practice. Start with class 5MD for full project context, conventions, and prior decisions. So what we're going to do here is we're going to prepare this project for 5 simultaneous updates across 5 simultaneous agents. So let's add a box to the project memory that can contain 5 numbers in 5 slots. Slots 1 to 5. Now, conceptually, I'm just going to illustrate how we can work on parallel feature requests within the same project memory file. We start the session here with defining basically the architecture of the memory file, within which we can add different features as we go. It says it's done, so now we're going to save the project memory to the memory file at class 5 README. We're going to update it with everything relevant from this session. It's going to read the file, it's going to update, it's adding a session log. You can see here that it added the array of 5 options and added the current state with all slots empty. Great. Now, let's start a new window over here. And what we're going to do is start 5 different Claude Code agents. So if we right click, we can split vertically once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times to get 5 total pins. Now right click, start Claude Code. 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 Now we're going to enter here to agree, enter here to trust the folder, enter to trust the folder, enter to trust the folder, and enter to trust the folder. Now we're going to install project memory here. Click into second agent here. Here, click into third agent here, install project memory here. Here, click into fourth agent, install project memory here. Here, and click into fifth agent. I'm going to move this little box here. Click into fifth agent, install project memory, install here. So now we have 4 about to be 5. Let's wait for the 5th to complete. So now we have 5 agents that are fully aware of the project memory. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add 5 numbers into 5 slots across 5 agents. So let's say put 125 in slot 1. Put 225 in slot 2. Put 325 in slot 3. Put 425 in slot 4. Put 525 in slot 5. We're going to let these go. You can see here that this agent added 125 into slot 1. This agent added 225 into slot 2, preserving the context of agent 1's addition. This agent added 325 into slot 3, preserving the context and updates of agent 1 and 2 into slots 1 and 2. This agent added 425 into slot 4. And this agent added 525 into slot 5. But this agent, as you notice, finished earlier than this agent, so it preserved the positions of slot 1, 2, and 3 of the first 3 agents. And the 4th agent finished last, put in 425 in the 4th slot, and then preserved the slots of all the other agents. Now we're going to come back to the initial agent over here, and we're going to say, can you please show all 5 slots? And now what this is going to illustrate is that while we were working on 5 different features over here across 5 different agents, now we have the unified 5 slots here across the final agent. And now that we're good to go, we can save project memory for one final time. And this is going to complete this pattern for this session, which is basically, let's instantiate a project. Let's maybe think about something to do. You could have a planning pane over here if you'd like. And then you can start open a new sub window. have one or many agents. In this case, we had 5. You can start on different features at the same time, but they're all in their own lane. They're not going to interrupt each other, even if one finishes before the other. And then you're going to save that all back to the unified project memory and then save, and then you are ready to go. Thanks.